What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Detrucci, and today we're going to be reacting to Nightwish, How's the Heart. If you haven't seen my reaction to Pan yet, I will link that up above right here, so you guys can check that out. But we're doing the whole album, so without further ado, let's get into this one. And I know there's an acoustic version out. I figured we'll do that one at the end after we've done all the album, and we can go back and check the acoustic version out. Let's see what this one has to offer, though. I'm excited. It's got a heartbeat. Oh, hey! I like that sound. That picture right there of that old man, that is the pure picture of sorrow right there, isn't it? Like the amount of sadness and regret in this guy's face right now. Okay. This hype boy. Oh wow, look at that, that's stunning.
Shadow Story took the lead. Rose up prudent head and note, you know where you've been there. Now there's one who came from me.
Hey.
A child of light, another tale, dear one.
This song is absolutely beautiful. This is a beautifully written song, and honestly the lyric video for this song just makes it even better because the visuals on this are so beautiful. They really are. Like, you have like the birds that were flying up on the screen, and just it's the grayscale matched in with the red. It's so beautiful. And this song, I feel like it's about compassion. This song is about compassion of human nature, but I'll talk more about that at the end. But yeah, I love this so far. Let's keep going.
Now there's one who came from me, a child of light, another tale, dear one. Night will come but not to stay. Oh, why? The answer's in the how's the heart underneath the silence. How's the
that was stunning. That was so good. Floor's voice there really captured the emotion of that verse for that song. I don't know if it's a verse, it's more like an interlude. But wow, she really captured that. I'm gonna watch that whole thing again. Yeah, screw you guys. We're watching it all again. Oh, we need to go back a bit. Oh, I like that. That's really good.
Come in, the fire's warm. Burn the rope and then some more. Fair winds
Yeah. Look at that, so beautiful. Yeah, I like that. That's awesome. That's a riff. The cogwheels in the heart to show that it's beating. That's so smart. Wow.
How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the world drowning in the mire? Let a sound, a human paean, come on in.
I love this song. This is so good.
How's that heart underneath the silence? How's the
Yeah.
world drowning in the mire? Let a sound, a human paean, come on in, the fire's warm. Now the flame and some. How's that heart? How's that
Sing it, girl.
Silence, how's the
Troy.
warm, drowning in the mire, let the sound, human paean.
Could you hear Marco? Like, it starts to go lower and lower, and Troy's like, "Where's the sound?" And then Marco comes in, he's like Batman. He's like, "Where's the sound?" Like, listen to him. Listen to his voice when Marco comes in.
Warm, drowning in the mire, let the sound, human paean.
That's awesome.
Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and then some more.
Yeah, yeah. I really like this. This is fantastic. It's so melodic, but the beginning of it paints a dark picture, and it's like it's a lost picture. And I think the reason behind that is to show you that the negativity and just the distance between humans in the world today. It's showing you that people are living kind of like by themselves. They're like, there's not a lot of compassion in the world, and there needs to be more of it. And I think that's what this message of this song is about. I think it's about compassion, in my personal opinion, from what I've heard, because it's asking you, like, how are you doing? Like, how is everyone doing as a collective? And I really like this. I thought this was really cool. I love the artist. I want to know who the artist for this lyric video is, because he nailed this. He absolutely nailed this. The contrast between the colors of the red and the gray is so beautiful, and the way he's got like the birds, he's got the big tree, and he's got the woman with the child. This guy's really good. This artist knows what he's doing right now. I like this a lot. This is a very melodic dance kind of song. It's upbeat. It's let go of your fears, let go of your negativity, just enjoy life, just enjoy the moment, and make sure that the people that are around you are also the same. Like, help them to enjoy their lives too. And I really do think that's what this song is about. And I think that this song live is going to be really special, because I can literally see people like coming together with this song and just like having a little kind of dance next to each other, you know, which is not something that really happens within metal concerts. So this is gonna possibly change that, at least for this song anyway. But this album is going to be really interesting live, because the thing about Nightwish is their albums are like really solid, like really amazing, but live they take it to a whole other level, because you really get to hear all the individual stuff that's happening, and they usually add in like extra stuff as well. So I'm excited for this one. I want to say this is my new favorite, but that's such a cliche term at the moment for me, because every song is my new favorite song. But yeah, whoever done the artwork for this is amazing. I love Troy's Pandora's box of instruments that he brings out. He has like his pipes, his wind chimes, his Azerbaijan guitars, his all kinds of stuff, and every time they sound so good. It's the perfect way to start the song for me, because I hear the folk kind of sound to it, and I'm like, okay, this is going to be a tune right here. And we've barely even started the song yet. Like, as soon as Troy comes in with his magical instruments, you know it's going to be like such a good song. And Floor really nails this. I think this is one of her best vocally performance songs. Not in terms of expertise, because I think that there's some of her songs that are much more complex than this one, but this one's nice because you can sing along to it, and you can learn the words and the melodies for this one a lot faster than you can for instead of like Shoemaker or Music, which are really complex, and it's going to take you like 50 listens, 100 listens to just understand where all the ups and downs are within the song. But this one, you can probably sing this one right off the bat within like 2 or 3 listens, which is nice. And yeah, I really like this. This is nice, melodic, compassion and love. That's what it's all about. But guys, I hope that you enjoy this reaction. I know that my opinions are my own, so I don't know if that's the correct way to look at it. It's just what I felt from this song. You guys might have a different opinion. If you do, you can leave comments below. I love to hear everyone's stories and interpretations of the songs. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you guys next time. Stay safe. You guys know what to do. Peace.